Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Mueller here with a math activity. You're going to need something to count with. I'm titling this activity Snack Math because I am choosing to use Cheez-Its for my counting. You can use anything in your house. You're only going to need a few objects because we're going to do some review first. So if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that now and go and get just a couple of objects. They could be pennies, buttons, they could be little Cheez-Its, you could use cereal, anything you have in the house for counting. Before we get started into our activity though, we're going to sing our math song together. So go ahead and join me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you, boys and girls, for helping. All right. So the first number that we're going to look at is number 1. Now I'm going to need you to help me write the number 1 in the air. So go ahead and get your finger pencil. If you need to sharpen it, go ahead. I'm going to use a blue marker on my whiteboard. All right. So to make a 1, you start at the top and you pull a line straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. So again, we're going to start at the top, pull your line straight down, and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Go ahead and use your finger now to do that in the air. Ready? You're going to start at the top, you're going to pull down, and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. What does 1 look like on your fingers? How many fingers up is 1? Yeah, just one little finger in the air. Good, wiggle it way up there. All right, we're going to erase the 1. What number comes next? After 1 is 2. Yeah. For number 2, go right around and then make a line across the ground. All right, we'll try that again. Go right around and then make a line across the ground. What number is that? Yeah, 2. 2. Can you show me 2? What does 2 look like on your fingers? Ready? 1, 2. You know what to do. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and erase the 2. All right, this is where you're going to get your snack out and ready. I am wondering if you can show me what 1 looks like with a snack. So I took a plate and I wrote the number 1. You can take a piece of paper or you can just group it all on its own without the number underneath it. But I have the numeral 1, and so I placed one object. It fell off. I placed one object underneath the numeral 1. So I know the number 1 only gets 1 Cheez-It. They mean the same. The numeral 1 and then the object is just 1. All right, can you guess what we're going to do next? Yeah, number 2. So I took another plate and I wrote the 2 on it. And then I placed 2 Cheez-Its underneath that number 2. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2. So the numeral 2 gets 2 Cheez-Its. Yeah. I'm wondering if you're eating a snack like myself, how many objects are in your bag all together? Can you count them? You might need your grown-up to help you count, and that is A-okay. I'm wondering if you can put in the comments below how many objects are in front of you that you are counting. Can you group them in 1 and 2? Feel free to take a picture and show me what you are using to count with, how many groupings you had, and if you want, you can even write a comment to tell me how many you had in total. All right, boys and girls, thanks for joining.